I think of Louisiana, that's what I think of. Only gripe I've had about this campsite so far is it's been fairly windy here. I've been wanting to put the drone up, but I don't know about drone activity here. Yeah, and there's a reason we're here at the time of year we are.
Yeah, because it would be, it was summertime or spring?
No.
No.
We're gonna walk down here to this, there's a dock. Oh, there's a cardinal. A couple of cardinals and another bird. There's a few signs around here telling you what you can and can't do and all that. No swimming.
Yeah.
Gee, I wonder why. Wouldn't have anything to do with any
Crocodiles.
alligators.
Yeah, that.
Bitey McBitersons.
Yeah.
No desire.
And I didn't want Badger to be close to the water, really, because I'm gonna be real honest with you. If the gator got him,
He'd just be got.
unfortunately.
Yeah, and it wouldn't take a very big one to get him either.
No.
What were you saying?
I said the thing is I've never camped in Louisiana, so that's the first time being in the woods in Louisiana. So.
Right.
We haven't heard anything out of the ordinary.
Nope.
Or anything.
But, you know, that's one thing. We never go looking for stuff. And I say we never go looking for, you know, night boogers or wood, creepy crawlies. Except, you know, if we go to Mark's, or, you know, maybe the place in Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Where all this stuff kind of started. We just want to be in the woods. We just want to be in nature. We want to be in places like this.
Yeah. There's a lot of fisher.
Yeah. I just want to walk down here on this dock.
I wonder what that is.
Like bathrooms. I don't know. It'd be nice if it was showers. It'd be great if it was showers. Got some folks down here. We can walk over there. We can walk over there. Y'all doing all right?
How are you?
Doing well. Sure is pretty out here. I think it's just bathroom. Hey.
I don't think this is open. Oh, maybe.
The wet floor sign. Probably because the floor's wet. That's why I would put up a wet floor sign. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it is chilly in the shade. Whew.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is one of those places we found off iOverlander. I'm really thankful for that app.
Yeah.
But we have a couple of them. We have iOverlander and Stay for Free and Free Camp, just because some of them will have one place and not the other. But generally, iOverlander is our go-to. And then if I can't find anything on that, I'll use Free Camp or whatever. Where at? Oh, back over there. Yeah.
That's definitely Louisiana, like what you would see on a postcard.
Oh
something,
yeah,
you know.
absolutely. Yeah, it sounds like a dock out here. Yeah, this is. What do you think, little fella?
What do you think?
Is this fun out here?
He's having a blast out here.
Oh yeah. As soon as we put the leash on him and all that, boy, he just started pulling because he was ready to do something. But he's, you know, we're camped way
over here.
back down that way, and there's nobody around us except Badger's around me right now.
Hey,
he is.
go.
Yeah, he's all the way around me. Thanks, Badger. That's cool. That was timing. Yeah, I'm not hating this out here. I love the sound.
Bridge over there. Looks
Yeah, I saw that. Let's see. Way over there. I'm not sure if you can. Yep. You're like, yep, Tommy, that's a bridge. Whew. Yeah, it's. I'm not gonna lie, it's almost time to go back to the van, turn the old heater on. Hey. So again,
nobody's peed on it.
Again, this is Corney Lake.
It's funny.
I mean,
Corny.
yeah.
Are you having fun there, Badger boy?
And this is one of those places that we've gotten to, and I'm just in no hurry to leave. Right. These people are staring at us.
I know.
I don't care. I'll walk right by them with the camera. I don't care. We're going back up this way.
Oh.
They're like, what is that? It's a gimbal. It's a gimbal. Badger never does this, y'all.
Isn't it lovely?
He is.
Smell it. Just smell it. What is that? Hey, come on. It's actually pretty clean around here, but I just
It is pretty clean. I'm fairly impressed with that part of this.
because it's not trashed out.
Rachel just off camera. I turned the camera off for a second to blow my nose for the 217,000th time today. Still doing sniffling and all that. Rachel and Badger had a little moment. What was he doing?
He just wants to pull. He's wanting to go this way, but we're not going that way, so I don't. I've got to pee on every post, though.
He does.
I got to.
I gotta let Jeffrey and Raquel and Spot know that I was here. How they even gonna know that little Badger was here if I don't do that stuff? We'll get up here to this place. I'll turn you right around and show you where I want to fly over it with the drone, because I really think it'd be, especially at a low altitude.
Oh, this.
Yes.
Swampy little.
Yeah, I think it'd be great. And if this footage seems weird, I'm using the gimbal. The gimbal's great for a lot of stuff, but it kind of moves around on its own sometimes, which I don't like.
Right.
But that way I'm not having to hold the phone up like this. What's up, baby?
Cypress trees or something.
Yeah.